Hylo Gel is a preservative-free lubricating eye drop developed for people with severe or chronic dry eye symptoms. The formula contains 0.2% high-viscosity hyaluronic acid, which binds water effectively and forms a long-lasting protective lubricating film on the surface of the eye. This helps relieve dryness, irritation, burning, and the sensation of having something in the eye while keeping the eyes comfortably hydrated for an extended period. The drops are also phosphate-free and are dispensed using the COMOD multi-dose system, which keeps the solution sterile without the need for preservatives. Each 10-milliliter bottle provides at least 300 drops and can be used for up to 6 months after opening. Hylo Gel is also compatible with contact lenses, although the manufacturer recommends waiting about 30 minutes after inserting lenses before using the drops. Because of its thicker consistency, Hylo Gel is designed to stay on the eye longer than many standard artificial tears. It is commonly recommended for people with persistent dry eye symptoms, after eye surgery, or whenever long-lasting lubrication is needed throughout the day. User experiences are generally very positive. Many people describe Hylo Gel as one of the most effective preservative-free eye drops for severe dry eyes, saying that the thicker formula provides longer-lasting relief and reduces the need for frequent reapplication. As with any eye care product, individual results may vary depending on the cause and severity of dry eye symptoms.